hi first.
Say hi first. Say hi first. Okay, ready?
Pahawak mo sa kanya. Say hi.
We're back guys, and right now we're gonna present you different kinds of Jollibee Kiddie Meals. Okay, so we bought all of the kiddie meals, 6, and they are the Jollibee International. So we'll be opening the boxes one by one. Okay, we'll start with the first box. You open it up, baby. Open it. Let's open it. Open. Open. Surprise! Who's this Jollibee? Let's see. Who's this Jollibee? Wow! It's Jollibee. Jollibee, California. Oh, let's open it. Open. Open. Surprise! Oh. Wow, you're riding the waves. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Jollibee. Oh, you hold it like this. He's surfing the waves. Oh, push it. Ooh. How do you surf? Surfing. Wow. Oh, you copy Jollibee's pose. Oh, come on. Think. It's like 1, 2, 3. Hooray! It's Jollibee. Oh, let's put it here. Let's open the next box. Wow. Oh, open. Oh, this one. Oh, let's open this box. Oh, open. Surprise! Wow! Ooh, I think I like this one. What's this Jollibee? Ooh, wow! It's a riding boat Jollibee, and it's drumming. See? Ooh, it's not working. Ooh, there's the dragon. Are you afraid of the dragon? Dragon. Oh, no. Okay. No more dragon. Just Jollibee. Oh, let's see. He's playing the drums. Dragon! Oh, no. Okay. Let's put Jollibee here. And then the other one. Oh, you wanna open the other one? Okay. Next box is open. Surprise! Ooh, there's another Jollibee, and this time he's playing guitars. Let's see. This is Jollibee Hawaii. Ooh. Let's show them. Let's show the viewers. Oh, you push it here. Push. Ooh, wow. Put it here. Push. Ooh, he's playing the guitars. Ooh, he's playing the guitars. Again. Wow. Playing the guitars? Oh, how about you? How do you play the guitars? How do you play the guitars? Oh, when you play the guitars like this. Okay. And then, how about this one? This is a big Jollibee. Oh, you have lots of Jollibee. Oh. Huh? Another one? You have another one? Oh, this is the fourth one. Okay. So we're having our fourth Jollibee. Okay. Open. Surprise! Oh. How about this one? What's this? Oh, it's a Jollibee from Italy. Okay. Open. Surprise! Oh, you have, what's this? You have, huh? Is this a spoon? This is a spoon? Okay. Let's see. How do you do this? Oh, the other one. Oh, he's rowing the boat! Woo! Let's show them how Jollibee. And huh? Again? There's more! Okay. Open. Okay. Open. Surprise! Wow! It's a Jollibee from United Kingdom. Very nice. Wow! It's like you're traveling around the world and you have all of the Jollibees. Oh, wow. Oh, show them Jollibee. Hello! This is Jollibee from Italy. United Kingdom. Okay, now let's play with it first. How do we play with it? Oh, like this. It has wings. Where are his wings? I'll show Papa his wings. I'll show them here. Wow! Oh, you put him here. Okay. I will open the last one. Oh, there's one. Okay. Good. There's this last box. Open. Oh, wait. Open. Surprise! Wow! Oh, what's this? How do we do this? This is Jollibee from Singapore. Oh, it's Jollibee from Singapore. Oh, let's open it. Open. Open. Surprise! Let's see. Wow! It's changing colors. Oh, how do you do this? Yun! It's Jollibee from Singapore. Oh, so you count. No more. Oh, you count. Let's count. Let's count our Jollibee. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay! So there you go, guys. We have unboxed 6 kiddie meals, and we have Jollibee from Italy, Jollibee from California, Jollibee from Singapore, Jollibee from Italy, Jollibee from Hong Kong, and Jollibee from, what's this?
Hawaii.
Hawaii. It's from Hawaii. Oh, you play with Jollibee from Hawaii? Oh, you play with it? Wait. Oh, he's playing guitars. Oh.
You like guitar?
Ay. You like guitar? You like it? Oh, you play with this one. Play with Jollibee from California. Like this. You let him stand up, and then you push him here. Push. Oh, this one. Push. How about this one? Look, it's changing lights. Wow! And this one is in boats. Oh, he's in a boat. Oh, I need this. Oh, I'm riding. I'm going to Paris. I'm going all around the world. How about this one? I'm surfing the waves and I like it. Says Jollibee. Oh. How about this one? I'm gonna serenade you and sing using my very own guitar. Oh, you sing. Happy birthday. Oh, you sing. Come on. Oh, you singing. How about this one? How about the Jollibee? How about the Jollibee from Hong Kong? This Jollibee from Hong Kong. We have 2 boats. Oh, the other one is rowing. He's rowing his boat. Woo! Wee! Jollibee! Row. How do you sing? Oh, let's sing. Row your boat. Now let's sing. Row your boat gently down the stream. Hmm? It's so hot. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Oh, how about this one? How about this one? Let's play the drums. Who's playing the drums? Jollibee's playing the drums with the dragon. Ooh. Ooh. Look at the dragon. Is it scary? Is it scary? Oh, you pet the dragon. Pet the dragon. Ah, you don't want to pet the dragon? It's not scary. Oh, you say, hello, Jollibee. Oh, you love the Jollibee with guitars. Guitar. How about this one? You don't like this? How about this one? He's moving. Oh, he's moving. Look at it. Look at it. Ooh. Ooh. He has a big hat. What color is the hat? What's the color of the hat? Black. Very good. Oh. What's that? What is that? Guitar. Very good. How about this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's changing lights. Oh, you want to hold it? Yeah. You like this? You like it? It's Jollibee Singapore. Okay. So there you go, guys. We have unboxed 6 kiddie meals, and here you go. We have. I'm gonna mention them again. We're gonna mention them again. It's Jollibee Singapore. This one. Okay. Oh, no. Hello, guys. I am from Hawaii. Hello, guys. I am Jollibee from United Kingdom. Hi guys, I am Jollibee from Singapore. And here you go, guys. I am Jollibee from Hong Kong. Hello, I am Jollibee from California. Hello, I am Jollibee from Italy. Okay, so guys, that's all for tonight's video. So if you are new here and you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and if you have any comments or you have any requests for unboxing toys and reviews, please feel free to comment it down so that we'll have our next idea. So that's all for today. Again, my name is Daddy Mark, and this is Baby Ref saying bye-bye!